Hey y'all, I'm gonna make this 4-ingredient peanut butter cake in a cup. I saw it. I've done these before, but this one I haven't ever done. They just did the 3 ingredients, but I'm gonna put some chocolate chips in there. They didn't have any measurements. Peanut butter. Get that off this. And you're gonna want to stir it very good. Very good. 1 egg. And some sugar. They didn't do measurements, so I'm just doing what tasted good to me. Okay? Okay, so you're going to mix it very well. Always make a mess. It's kind of hard to mix, but if you don't get it mixed up good, it's gross in the microwave. But if you're just in a hurry, it's to me, it's a really good little snack. And really 2 people would eat it. It's a pretty big cup right here. All right, see? You don't want any of that egg not stirred up. So, I'm going to add some chocolate chips. I'm going to stir a little bit of them in, all right? Now I'm going to go pop it in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds in my microwave. They said 1 minute, but mine took a longer than that, so. Smells so good. You can, when it starts coming over the top, you'll know it's done. See, it kind of makes like a peanut butter sauce on top of it. Okay. Maybe it'll come out. It's all melted. And the peanut butter, see, it's good. Got the chocolate. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh. Chocolate chips. See, it's just like a cake. It's really good. Anyway, peanut butter, cake in a cup.